Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's check out the cards today. Consider all your options before acting. Time. What I desire is already mine. It's simply waiting for me at a different time. Hearing inner guidance. My intuition flows whenever I am still. Number 41. I am evolving as a soul when I am aware of my soul's journey. If you could create anything you wanted, what would it be? Journal or sketch your creations on paper. Start to believe you have limitless possibilities to create in this world. "24. Love to love. Heartfelt connection. Tell someone how much you care. Write a heartfelt love letter. Don't hold back. Be honest and true. Who will you send it to?" All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's do this one. When someone doesn't like me, I check my pay stub to see if it made any difference. And it doesn't. It's all art. The way you laugh, your smile, your wardrobe, the way you decorate, the way you dance, your energy, your collections of books, and the way you write, your playlist, your grocery list, your friendships. It's all art. Your whole life is art. Feeling bad is a warning to change how you're feeling before bad things happen. Shift your feelings by filling yourself with thoughts of what you're grateful for or doing anything that makes you feel good. Allow people to be who they are and let them show up how they choose. Then you decide if that energy is for you. Your move. Yes, yes. Your competition isn't someone else. Your competition is the attitude, habits, discipline, and choices you make on a daily basis. And the last one today. When you're talking to someone distracted, you'll stop talking. When you're talking to someone who is listening, you'll keep talking. When you're talking to someone who's fully present, you'll share what really matters. Is this true for you? All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.